You will notice when we are talking about the very first chapter or part of the Tao Te Ching, which is the essence of its meaning and center, all the translations we read so far are different, not only in what they say, but what they think it means. You'll notice that. Now, that's characteristic of the Tao Te Ching, because its essence is not translatable into words, because it doesn't find itself in that kind of realm. It is the unrealm, it's the unknown, it's the place of unmanifest, which is real, but not in our sense of reality. Now, what I will do next is take the definitive translation of the Tao Te Ching by Jonathan Starr, and let's read how he translate this in his commentary and in his words, and see how they compare with what we have read so far. You will notice, of course, in this also some differences, but some similarities. So let's see what we find here as far as this is. It says here, the way that can be walked is not the way. The name that can be named is not the name. Tao is both named and nameless. As nameless, it is the origin of all things. As named, it is the mother of all things. A mind free of thought merges within itself, beholds the essence of Tao. A mind filled with thought, identified with its own perception, beholds the mere forms of the world. Tao and this world seem different, but in truth, they are one and the same. The only difference is what we call them. How deep and mysterious is this unity? How profound, how great. It is the truth beyond the truth, the hidden within the hidden. It is the path of all wonders, the gate to the essence of everything. There you get an even deeper translation of this first chapter of the Tao Te Ching from the Jonathan Starr book. By the way, when you do get to the meaning of the words as you go through that whole translation in this section where he has all the meanings very definite here, that one word for mother that's the actual Chinese word which does mean mother. So the progenitrix, which we read in this version, means mother. They're using that same word in the same way. So you see there, what we have now is two different ways of the Tao, and yet according to this, they are both the same, because even though one is unmanifest, it also manifests. So you have to know both in order to know that. But if you know both, what are you knowing? Are you knowing? It says at the end, it is a mystery. Not only a mystery, but it is a path of all wonders. It gives to the essence of everything. Not everything, but to the essence of everything. So the Tao Te Ching, when you go through it, is almost a commentary on this very first section, as all the Psalms in the Bible are somewhat a commentary on the very first Psalm. It is the essence of the Tao Te Ching, because in the Tao Te Ching, you have a language that is not languageable. You have words that are not wordable. You have ways that are not walkable. You have those things which are hidden in the great mystery. This is part of the Tao Te Ching.